go
Excuse
jogging.
me? Can you help me find cola?
You want cola? Look in the
Oh, hey miss!
I'm gonna go jogging, okay?
Cola, 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 cola. Cola, oh my god, cola, 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 cola.
I've tried Nutrisystem. I've tried Slim Fast. I've tried cola.
Did somebody say cola? Oh. Try diet cola.
I've tried Diet Cola and it's
Hey. I just tell you to try diet cola.
But I'm telling my viewers I did.
A camera.
Back away from the camera, sir.
But I like cola.
That's great. I've tried Diet Cola and it still does not work.
You did not try diet cola.
Okay.
I told you to try it.
None of these problems work, okay? None of them. I don't know why they don't work. I am very stressed. I get angry. I get very
Just go home and have a nice cold cola.
I would not like any cola, thank you.
Hey. Cola's good.
Okay.
Hey, bump naman. Go get me a cola.
I don't want to get you a cola. Okay.
Did you try diet cola?
Yes.
Diet cola? Normal cola?
Shut up!
Oh.
Shut up!
I bet you.
Okay.
I bet you didn't try cola zero.
Okay. None of these problems
Cola.
products work, okay? I want them to work. Because these people are just making a profit out of little stuff that do not work, okay?
Cola.
Shut up! It's very essential for me, okay? To get healthy weight. Don't you dare come back. It's very... I just wanted to lose weight, and now I did, thanks to my jogging. So we don't need no Nutrisystem and all those Slim Fast and sumo wrestlers. Forget about them.
Cola.
We just need jogging.
And what about cola?
We don't need those steak and...
Hey, cola. Go get me a cola.
No, thank you.
Drink cola.